I've been holding off making a tips vlog for quite a while because last year I got burnt out for doing a 30 for 30. What I meant by that was I did a 30-day vlog making tips for real estate for you, and it burnt me out. I lost some ideas and I didn't want to do it again. That was, I think, October, but now here I am again. I decided to do this again for the benefit of you guys, just to mix up my channel from not just, completely selling projects, completely selling brokerage properties, but also to help you gain more knowledge, become more wisdomous.
Some of the words a little too sophisticated for you.
And to help you finally get the property that you've always wanted. So today let's talk about why you should need to open a checking account. As an agent, we need to tell you the things that you need to submit, that you need to comply. One of the things that is very hard for a client to comply is the post-dated checks. And in order to have a post-dated check, you, the client, need to open a checking account from any bank. Why is it hard? Because banks require the same things that you submitted to the developer. These are the income documents, the proof of billing, pictures, 2x2 pictures, 2 valid government IDs. So these are also the things that you submit or that you have submitted to the developer. And then you have to compile all of them and submit it again to the bank. And it's not 100% sure that you get approved. You know why? The bank they're quite judgmental. If they think that you don't make that much, then you are not qualified to be approved for opening a checking account, because it requires at least 10,000 pesos in remaining balance. But why do we push, the agent or the broker, why do we push for you to get one? Number one, it allows the agents or the brokers to have one less thing to think about. What I mean by that is, when we do the selling, when we do the marketing, and then we collect those documents from you, we follow up those documents that you lack, we become document controllers. We become accountants. We don't want those things. We just want to sell, we just want to market, and then maybe do a little bit of after sales service. But pushing you to comply with that requirement is very taxing, it's very tiring. I don't mean to be rude, respectfully, I'm telling you that. And number two, it allows for the developer an easy way, or it gives them an easy path to see all the payments that you made. If, for example, you don't submit the post-dated check and you only pay over the counter every month, then you will have to email me, the agent or the broker, that you paid, and then after you do that, I will email the developer that you paid. What if I was busy that day? So I might forget to email the developer that you did the thing. And if I forget, your statement of account might not be updated. So those are the two main reasons. Number one, so that the agent will have one less thing to think about. Number two, for the developers to know quickly that you paid. They just put those post-dated checks to their warehouse, send them to the bank or whatever, and then they will trust you, the client, to put in the money in the checking account. So that's a very short tip of the day. And I was supposed. Okay, so we're done. If you're no longer interested, if you think the knowledge you gained is enough, so you can leave. Go. This is for my benefit. If when the day comes that I will view my videos. I was supposed to I made a green screen. I made a DIY green screen. Look, this is the box where the sound system. We bought a sound system. This is the box, and then I put on green colored papers, but the box is too weak, and the scotch tape doesn't tape very well. The paper does not stick very well to the box, so it's a fail. I thought it was a win, but it's a fail. So I was supposed to put a better background, but this is what you see. This is our cabinet. This is pool. This is our divider. That's our treadmill. Was used for, I think, 5 times only in the last 4 months. So that's it. I hope to continue this daily, give you more tips. If you want to know things about real estate, please comment down below, ask away in the comment section, and I will do my best to answer them through writing or through another video. So that's it for today. Please follow me on all my social media. I'm LD Benigay on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I'm LD_real estate on TikTok. Follow me everywhere. Thank you. See you. Bye.